Hello my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here over the FXAUUSD.com and we are back again with one of my favorite trading setups for the week ahead. It is a weekly swing idea, and this video we're going to go over the actual trade that I'm looking to take this week on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. I'm actually already in it from Friday, and this video we're going to go over the actual setup. So before we actually get into the setup, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the video. So this is a sell idea on the Japanese or Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, I'm expecting this to drop pretty heavy very soon, and it's already started to last week. We've already had the kind of price action coups showing us that the market is likely to start dropping down. Okay, on the monthly charts, like I like to look at the monthly, weekly to find high probability trading zones. This here setup, we don't actually have them on the MT4 platform, as it's going back nearly 30 years. It's all-time highs with the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So what I'm looking at actually is price action, okay, on what's actually happened. Okay, so we do have a weekly area here, okay, on the charts, where price came down here and then rally back up. But you can see last week we've had buyers exhaustion coming in. Technically, if the market was looking to push higher, this candle should have really broke up through here, the all-time high in the trend last week. It didn't, and we're going to see that the price action, the lower time frame, showing us that the market is likely to start moving down. Likely target for it is down towards this level here, 131, and first target this high that was broken out on the weekly charts here around 136. Okay, so if you look at the daily charts, you can see a lot more clearly on the daily charts. We've had this trending up here. Okay, this area here broke the trend line. Okay, you can see the market comes back up to test the area that broke the trend line and starts to sell off. We're likely to see divergence here on the MACD. Move that. Okay, you can see the MACD has been diverging, a manual divergence. Okay, here, see the market pushed up higher, and it continued to rally back up, and as it's moving, continue moving down. If we look at the 4-hour charts, got many divergence inside this daily zone. We also have the sideways movement. Okay, the period of distribution, markets moving sideways after a huge rally in price. If we kind of look at this here, it's the first kind of really time it's did this since the start of this trend, the 4-hour chart. A lot of divergence signals happening. The reason I took this signal last week, basically because you can see the divergence happening here. Okay, that was the trigger. The actual EA triggered this position. Okay, so that's the trade setup. Basically on price action, again, we have this kind of weekly area here. Okay, we have a more clear daily area inside that weekly. Okay, we've had this trend line break. The market's coming back up to test the area that broke the trend line. Okay, we've got divergence signal. We actually have a manual divergence on the daily charts. You can see prices move back up, but the indicator's been moving down. Okay, so now we want to see where we can actually get into this position. Okay, it could just, as soon as the market opens on Monday, this could just plummet down. I do expect it to move up a little bit further, retrace a little bit, and then drop. So that's why I've entered half a position here. My normal positions are one standard lot, so I will enter the full position as we get the first retracement to the upside, and then enter again. So the entry for this is going to be Okay, so sell JPY at 142. Stop loss. Okay, we're gonna do the maximum, which we want to get above, just above at our last time there. So we want to do it around 143.4. Take profit. Okay, this is. I do expect this to drop over the next few weeks down towards 136. So we'll say 136. Okay, and that's the setup. Okay, so pause the video, write that down. Remember, trade at your own risk. This is just what I'm doing in the markets this week. Okay. Again, I want to get the stop loss up above this area here. 143, 400 is a little bit better. If you want to be a lot more risk averse, you can put it up towards the high here. Okay. So that's the trade up. If you want to get access to the full list of trading setups, simply click the link below in the description area. And remember, you get access to the new DayTrader X day trading system, where I send out signals each day and you program the trading AI to take the trades for you automatically. Okay, basically automating nearly 95% of your day trading. So happy trading. Remember to like and share this video if you find it valuable, and I shall see you on the next video.